Went to roll the driver's window up and it didn't want to roll up. I had to kind of wiggle it. So I pulled it off and checked, and the switch worked if I shorted the wires or switched the two switches. So the other day I put the driver's side and the passenger side. So now if it doesn't work, the passenger side won't roll down. But I went ahead and I ordered some switches for it. Some standard switches. So I thought today I'd show you how to change the switches out in the Viper. I use a little crowbar, pry bar here normally. Take the ashtray out. There's like Velcro here. Pry these out, those out, and we'll come up to here. And it's easier, I think, if you disconnect the cigarette lighter. And that gets you to right here. And you can undo the window switches. Take this panel out. Take a Phillips screwdriver. I just went ahead and bought 2 new switches. Figured if one went bad, the other one can't be far. So I should compare to make sure the switches are the same. Pretty good. Right and left switches are identical. They just mount upside down according on each other. Let's have a nice click. And we need to come and hook in the wiring. And I think before I put it all together, I'm going to make sure they work. Okay, the switches work. Now I need to go ahead and hook the ground back up on the cigarette lighter. And the positive up on the cigarette lighter. Okay, now this I think is the hardest part. You got to kind of get the switches down in that little well. And that's all there is to changing out those switches. Pretty quick and easy. Keep back on.
Country music.